Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to see the difference between the structure and union. Already we know that both are user-defined data types. So we'll see the first. What is the first difference here? Definition. What is the definition of a structure? Structure is nothing but collection of different data types. Same collection of different data types under a single name. Means there is no difference in the definition. So now we will see here in the next one. So what is the keyword we use for the structure? We use the keyword called struct. To perform the structure, here we are using the keyword called struct. So struct is a predefined keyword. So means we cannot change the meaning of the structure. Means so whenever you want to perform the structure, now we need to use the keyword called struct. So what is the keyword we are using for the union? So we are using the keyword called union. It is also predefined keyword. We cannot change the meaning of this union. Now, so let me see the difference syntax of the structure and syntax of the union. What is the syntax of union and structure? The struct. Here we are going to use the keyword struct, structure name, and different data types. And semicolon. So here what we are going to use here, we are going to use the union, the keyword union, and union name. Here also what we are doing here, we are going to store, we are going to collect different data types. So every union, every structure must with a semicolon. So what you observe here, whenever you are performing with the structure, we need to use the keyword called struct. Okay, whenever you are performing the union, we need to use the keyword called union. This is the syntax of union. This is the syntax of structure. Now, so what operator we need to use to access the members of structure, to access the members of union? So here we are using the keyword operator. What operator we are using here to access the different data type members? Means we are using the dot operator. So we are using the dot operator. So in union also we are using the dot operator to access the members of this union. Now, this means what is dot operator? Dot operator is nothing but to access the members of union and structure. So how we are going to use, how we are going to perform here? So how we will use the dot operator now? So here structure variable dot structure member. So how to access the members of union? Same. So union variable dot union member. Like this we can access the members of union and structure by using the dot operator. Now, so what is the main difference in the structure and union is? Okay, main difference in the structure and union is memory allocation. So how the memory allocation done in the structure, how the memory allocation done in the union, we will see. So memory allocation. Now let me take an example here. Struct x, y, z. So this x, y, z having the variables int a, float, b, and character C that we have. So for this xyz, we having the variable name is, it will take x1. Now same, come to the union with the same structure, okay, with the same data members. It will take union xyz. Here int a, float b, character C. I am taking the same variable name x1 in the union. So this x1 is related to the xyz, this x1 related to the xyz of union. Now, so what will happen? So how the memory allocation done for the structure and the union? Already we know that. So whenever you have created a variable for the structure, whenever you have created a variable for the union, then only the memory allocation done to these variables. These are data members of the structure, these data members of the union. When they got memory allocation, when we created a variable, what variable here we created? X1. For this union, X1. Then only the memory allocation done. Otherwise, there is no memory allocation will be allocated to the members of A, B and C. Let me see how many bytes it is going to be allocated. Now, here, so it occupies how many bytes? 2 bytes. Float occupies how many bytes? 4 bytes. Character occupies how many bytes? 1 byte. Total 7 bytes. Now, come to the structure. So, integer occupies 2 bytes and float occupies 4 bytes. Character occupies 1 byte. Now, what will happen? So, when the compiler execute this x1 variable, now what will happen? X1 got memory allocation of how many bytes here? Total bytes equal to what here? 7. Now 7 bytes of memory block is created. One memory block is created. So this memory block, nothing but memory unit is created. This 7 bytes memory unit going to be shared individually. How many bytes of A we having here? 2 bytes. Now A will occupy the 2 bytes out of 7 bytes. Now B will occupy the 4 bytes. B will occupy 4 bytes out of 7 bytes. C occupy the 1 byte out of 7 bytes. Now, even though we are allocating the block of unit block of memory, then what will happen? These unit block memory going to be shared individually. Nothing but A got memory allocation, B got memory allocation, C got memory allocation individually. When coming to the union, so in union what will happen? So again, X got memory allocation. Okay, X got memory allocation. So nothing but x1, how many bytes got memory allocation here? Already we discussed, it got only 4 bytes. Because of union get the memory allocation when the member of size, the union member of size which having the highest, that highest memory is allocated to that variable. Now what will happen here? X1 got how many bytes here? 4 bytes. What is the highest size of this union members? So what is the highest size here? 4, but not 7. Means total size not going to be allocated, only which having the highest size, that size is going to be allocated to the x1 variable of union. Now what will happen? This x1 variable having the 4 bytes, 4 unit memory block is created. Now this unit memory block is going to be shared A, B and C. So you can observe here where in this structure we having a for A we having the individual memory, B having the individual memory, C will have the individual memory. When you come into the structure, A, B, C will have a common memory, nothing but a shared memory. So this is the difference between the union and structure. Thank you.